So this one's for a Volkswagen Polo 1.2 N 1.2E, and then obviously that's a plate, 53 plate, so 2003, 2004. Oxygen sensor replacement. So obviously this was in here. Just took it out. That's how it looks. Doesn't look like it's ever been changed. NTK Japan, seeing if there was a date on it anywhere. Sometimes there is, sometimes there's not. Obviously this ran down this pipe here, around there, through this cable organizer, down there and into this one. So that one doesn't look too bad in terms of how clean it is. It's also connected to some more stuff down here. Don't know what that is, but it doesn't look clean. Let's bring this one around, because I'm going to go over all these sensors today. I don't want to pull on any of these wires too hard, but that one down there isn't in the best shape. Yeah. So this one here is the oxygen sensor. That one there is what I've just spotted behind it. They all seem to be on the same wiring. And then there's another one plugged in down there. I can't really see it. I did go over this yesterday a little, try and clear up some of this rust. And what I want to know is, obviously I'm doing these sensors, it's the main reason of the video, but if anyone does know, point me in the right direction. What is this? It's coming from the throttle body. It's clipped on, but that looks like it's got electrician's tape there, and then it's got, I'll show you, electrician's tape here, and then it's got this big old cracking. Now this seems plastic. This one's the brake line apparently, but this one I've got no idea what it is. Eco, and I want, if I get this clamp off, how do you get the clamp off? Pull. Probably going to need a flathead. And there's this. This is part of the EMF system. This is probably why I've got a light on, because look, that there. So 2 ways to fix. Take it off, cut it down, put that pipe over it, or T-Rex super tape, as I like to call it. What do you reckon? When you get this off. Oh, slides off. So it slides, I think, up or down. Off. Let's do it up. Down. Seems to just clamp over, slide down. Anyway, it's a sensor, so that obviously that zone here all gonna need cleaned up. So we'll start with the WD-40 off-brand stuff. There we go, and then we'll go over that with a cloth. Then a dryer cloth, not one covered in blue paint. Probably worth gonna hit it with a wire brush, but that's cleaned up alright compared to what it was. Just trying to get rid of anything inside, make sure it's dry. Then this sensor looks awful, so that's how it looks. I'm gonna hit it with the maintenance spray. I'm gonna try and make sure this is here in view. This one I'm gonna hit with a wire brush for sure. Try and save it as best I can, like before I buy a replacement. And this is obviously just a quick video of it, like how I'm cleaning them down. So oil, wipe, oil, maintenance oil, WD-40, whatever you want to call it, lubricant, then I'm gonna blast it with some contact clean so I can get in them little holes with some power spray. Like this in all the holes. Dry it again. And then we're gonna do in this as well. Can't tell if you can see that. You alright?
You're right.
I'm good, yeah.
Oh, you have your house been renewed, your house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
It's
good.
never been done.
Oh, good, good. At least you have a lovely environment now.
20 years.
Oh, great.
So it's getting up.
Yeah, they gave me this hard time in the summer. Yeah? All right.
See you later. So that's that oxygen sensor done, refitted. Now I want to try and do all these other bits and pieces. All of these contact connectors and stuff all around. Like this one is obviously the .4 brake fluid. That one has a sensor on it. So sensor up here on your coolant. Sensor here. And this one, I think this one and that one, they seem to be that one's going into there. But I think they're more like valves. If that one hasn't got a connector under it. So this one is this one with the connector on is the MAF sensor, which I know I need to sort out because I've got an evap message, and the only way to fix it is to apparently clean this and see if it's working. If you have it running and idle for 10 minutes or so, apparently you'll start feeling it, or you'll at least hear it making a noise. But I've got to also sort this out on this one because that obviously isn't meant to be split. So I'm gonna have to take it off and then refit it. And if that doesn't work, I could try the tape first. But never mind. That's all for today for this Polo.